I got some Splendies. These are underpants. You're gonna wanna see what this is. I don't even know. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Take just a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do fun stuff all the time. You won't wanna miss any of that. I've lost some weight, and I will link a video for you right there about my weight loss. One of the things you don't really think about when you're losing weight is, are your underpants gonna fit you anymore? And they don't. They're too big. And so I wrote on my list of things to get is underpants. I don't like shopping for underpants. It's the worst because you never know what size to get. So when I saw this home delivery of underpants, I thought, that's exactly what I need. I have no idea what I'm gonna find. Let's see. I will leave the link for Splendies, which is the name of this company, in the description, and you can just click on over and see what there is. It's pretty reasonable for what you're getting, and there are several options. There are G-strings or thongs, I guess they're called nowadays, and there are the no thongs option. Guess which one I got? Usually when you use someone's link to order a subscription box or a clothing box or an underwear box, you're gonna get some kind of a discount with that. So be sure and check out that link. I don't know what the exact discount will be. Cute. Oh my goodness. What are the chances? Little things make me happy. Tell me something in the comments that's a tiny little thing, but that makes you happy. Oh boy. These do not look comfortable. They look cute. By all means, they look cute. This is a cottony material, so they're very, very soft. This lace is not at all scratchy. I don't know about you, but I have to wear underpants that are comfortable. I am not gonna be trying to pull them out of my booty all day long. I'm just not gonna do that. If they ride up my booty, they're gonna go in the trash. Oh, these are a pretty color. These are really thin. Again, super, super soft though. Not at all scratchy. These definitely look like they're going to fit me. They're nice and roomy, but I'm still worried about the booty. At my age, I don't want booty panties. Am I wrong? This is more my style. This is the granny panty, only pretty, updated granny panty. This feels like microfiber. Kind of a silky microfiber. That looks like it's gonna cover my booty. Let me go try these on for you. Do you want me to shave my legs? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna try these on for you. However, I will wear them all and report back to you how I like them. That's the best I can do for you, friend. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's not just panties over here. It's not just underpants. It's makeup, skincare, hair, and nails. If you don't have time in your busy life to learn to do makeup, this is the place to learn. See you real soon.